Well, look at here. Look what I got. Series X. Series X. It's unboxing time. I've seen other people do this where they take the side, little plastic off first. I saw little kids taking these off, so they shouldn't be that hard. Plus, they got little arrows on it for indicators. This was sitting at Walmart since Saturday. But the app was not being updated because I guess somebody didn't do the job. So something that just made me go up to Walmart and just asked them, hey, you wouldn't happen to have my Series X in the back, would you? Guy asked me for my name, and sure enough, he had it sitting in the back. He said, yep, it's here. And this was a Black Friday deal. And I think this is the last tab from what I remember from other people unboxing it. And then it kind of opens up like a nice little presentation. I think they slow this down and then they go like this. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Ah! Power your dreams. Xbox Series X. All right, thanks for watching.